Hello everyone! It's me again in another episode of Frozen Food because Suzanne can't cook. Okay, so it's been a long day and a lot of you, if you have long days at work and when you reach home you just don't want to cook anymore, this is where the frozen food saves you. After doing the frozen mantou, today I'm gonna do the frozen Bolani, and thankfully this time it doesn't require cooking at all. Okay, so this one is very easy. It's Bolani that I just need to pop it into either the oven or the microwave. And it is actually from Chef Latifah from Afghanistan, and what we have inside is flatbread filled with mashed potatoes and chives. So I'm gonna pop some of these into the oven and then we're gonna eat it. First, you open the oven. I'm gonna do just 2 pieces, okay? Later I get too fat. Look at the fillings inside. Mashed potato and chives. And now we wait for the instructions say preheat oven to 170 degree, bake for 5 to 8 minutes. Woohoo! Whoa! Damn, okay. I think why I always like that? I over bake it. Just heating up also cannot do properly. Alright, so now it is out of the oven. Let's eat. Whoa! That's so crispy! You're just gonna keep watching videos of me eat. And then in the 10th episode, I'll be double my size. One bite. Okay, so besides Bolani, which is the Afghan flatbread here today, we also have the Angmo bread. Why did you say that? We also have the Angmo bread, which is sourdough. So we are actually having a new set coming out, special collaboration with Kefir King, where we are gonna have sourdough together with some little homemade chutneys. Oh no! We have tomato chutney, we have apple chutney, we also have picalilli chutney. Alright? Okay lah, at least I can cut bread. Okay, this is freshly baked this morning. Now the bread is freshly baked. Oh my gosh. God bless my future husband. I cannot cut it! Okay, be serious. Okay, look. Nicely cut sourdough. We have tomato chutney. Alright, so we have our tomato chutney with a proper teaspoon. Okay, boleh dah. Alright, so we're gonna put our chutney out here. And I'm gonna try and eat the chutney together with Bolani also. So Bolani goes with green chutney, which is Afghan chutney. Let's try the tomato chutney with the sourdough bread first. It's my first time trying, so I'm very excited. Wow, the chutney is really good. Tomato chutney, wow, so good. Next, we're gonna try apple chutney. Apple. Oh, smells good. Okay, apple chutney with onions as well. This can be eaten with bread, with biscuit, up to you. Whoa. So good too. Oh, I love the chutney. It tastes very refreshing. Sedap. Sour chutney on sourdough. If you like sour stuff, you will like this. Okay, so now this is where I'm gonna try our chutney with the Bolani. The usual green chutney that we use for Bolani, it's usually spicy. So today we're gonna put our apple chutney on the Bolani and see how it tastes like. Okay, maybe not a good suggestion. It's a very complicated taste, but it tastes nice, but probably not the best combo. Probably you should eat it with sourdough, but if you are adventurous, then you can try this. Okay, now it's tomato chutney with Bolani. Weird. No, don't try this. It's nice with the sourdough. It just become kind of weird. Bolani, probably just eat it this way. It's really perfect for breakfast, for sahur, for after work when you are really hungry and you don't have time to cook yet. Just pop a few of this into the oven and then you are good to go. Now I'm gonna try the last chutney, which is the picalilli. Smells good. I haven't tried this product yet, so this is my first time. Wow, that's a huge chunk of cauliflower. Very special taste. Probably a bit of acquired taste. I don't really like it. Okay, so after trying trying the sourdough with the 3 chutney and also Bolani with the 3 chutney, my honest feedback, eat them separately. And just eat the Bolani with the original chutney, which is here, should have shown you all earlier. I'm gonna eat it with the Bolani for its original Persian taste. It's sour, slightly spicy. And for the sourdough set here, we just newly launched it. So together with the 5 bottles of chutney and the sourdough, you can buy it as a gift to send it to your friends, to send it to your colleague, or to just eat it yourself at home. So yeah, that's it for today. See you next episode where we fry something else that is frozen too. So see ya, bye bye!